Hello, and welcome to Speak English Aloud. This is day 2 of your 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. You will practice simple sentences about your name, age, country, city, work, hobbies, and English goals. Listen carefully, speak aloud, and repeat each sentence with me. Let's begin. Repeat after me. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Now say the full sentence. My name is Sarah. Perfect. You can also say, I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah. Excellent. Now use your own name. Say, my name is. One more time. My name is. Good job. Repeat after me. I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. Now say the full sentence. I'm 30 years old. Perfect. You can also say, I'm 30. I'm 30. I'm 30. Now say your real age. I'm years old. Excellent. Repeat after me. I'm from Morocco. I'm from Morocco. Now say the full sentence. I'm from Morocco. Good job. Here are more examples. I'm from France. I'm from Spain. I'm from Brazil. Now use your country. Say, I'm from. One more time. I'm from. Perfect. Repeat after me. I live in Rabat. I live in Rabat. Now say the full sentence. I live in Rabat. Excellent. Here are more examples. I live in London. I live in Madrid. I live in a small town. Now say where you live. I live in. Good job. Remember, I'm from Morocco, but I live in Rabat. We use from for your country or hometown. We use live in for the place where you live now. Repeat after me. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Now say the full sentence. I work as a teacher. Perfect. Here are more examples. I work as a doctor. I work as an engineer. I work as a nurse. Now repeat. I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student. Excellent. You can also say, I study English. I study English. I study English. Now talk about yourself. Say, I work as a, or I'm a student. Speak aloud. Good job. Repeat after me. I have a small family. I have a small family. Now say the full sentence. I have a small family. Perfect. You can also say, I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. Or, I have one sister. I have one sister. I have one sister. Now say one simple sentence about your family. I have. Excellent. Repeat after me. In my free time, I like reading. In my free time, I like reading. Now say the full sentence. In my free time, I like reading. Good job. Here are more examples. I like watching films. I like listening to music. I like cooking. I like traveling. Now choose one activity. Say, in my free time, I like. Perfect. Repeat after me. I'm learning English for my job. I'm learning English for my job. Now say the full sentence. I'm learning English for my job. Excellent. Here are more examples. I'm learning English for travel. I'm learning English for my studies. I'm learning English because I enjoy it. Now complete the sentence. I'm learning English because. Good job. Now listen to Sarah's complete introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Morocco. I live in Rabat. I work as a teacher. I have a small family. In my free time, I like reading and watching films. I'm learning English for my job. Nice to meet you. Now repeat the introduction slowly. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Morocco. I live in Rabat. I work as a teacher. I have a small family. In my free time, I like reading and watching films. I'm learning English for my job. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Now listen to a shorter introduction. Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm from Morocco, and I live in Rabat. I'm a teacher. In my free time, I like reading. I'm learning English for my job. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now it is your turn. Introduce yourself using these sentences. Hello, my name is. I'm years old. I'm from. I live in. I'm a student. Or, I work as a. In my free time, I like. I'm learning English because. Nice to meet you. Take your time. Speak slowly. Your introduction does not need to be perfect. The important thing is to speak aloud. Excellent work! You have completed day 2 of the Speak English in 30 Days challenge. Practice your introduction again today. Try to say it to a friend, a classmate, or in front of a mirror. Subscribe to Speak English Aloud and continue practicing with us. See you in day 3.